What do you think? Countries developed by soldiers, farmers, politicians, film stars? But when it comes to development of the country, we forget the main pillars of the same. And can you guess what it is? Yeah, it's scientists.
Science and technology plays a very important role in the development of the country, not just for the country but for the mankind as well. You can easily see how science and technology has developed in these many years. Basically, no one can survive without technology in today's world. But when it comes to Indian scientists, they stand at top of the world. From invention of zero to sending satellites to the Mars in a little budget. And to make India as a nuclear state, India has proved that we outstand the whole world in technology. Young minds today dream about becoming a scientist and contributing to the nation. But have you wondered how safe are our scientists in the country? No, right?
Today in this video, we'll look into the dark side of it. Many Indian scientists are dying mysteriously and we have no appropriate reason for the same. This all started from the year 1996 after the death of Dr. Homi Bhabha. Later on, many scientists have died and still no proper investigation has been done for it. Most of the deaths are declared as suicide and most of the cases are also closed. But what is the main reason behind these suicides?
Recently, one of the senior most scientists, Tapan Mishra, has also given the statement saying the same, that he was attacked many times. Let me tell you, Tapan Mishra has played a very important role in the development of Indian space, including radar, INSAT and many more. Also, he is the director of ISRO Application Center. He also stated that many Indian scientists who are in America threatened him to join them. They also offered him that his son would be highly placed in their country, but still he decided to serve our country. And that's a proud moment for all of us.
He told that he was poisoned with arsenic 3 years ago in a conference held at ISRO headquarters at Bengaluru. And let me tell you, arsenic is odorous and tasteless. When it mixed with the food, it is undetectable. And its speciality is, even if you take it in a small quantity, it would cause many ill effects. And due to arsenic, it will cause a disease called whitefoot. And it will have a side effect such as the skin will start falling and you will get holes in the skin, the nails will start falling. But if it is refined in a laboratory and then given to someone, then it will kill a person within 2 hours.
After such kinds of incidents taking place, the intelligence agencies should focus more on investigating them rather than giving Z+ security for politicians and some useless celebrities who put on baseless allegations and use controversial scenarios for their personal agenda. Scientists play a very important role in the development of a country, as they are the ones who put on their valuable time and valuable life for the development of a country. They are not less than a soldier. What do you think? NSC is only for politicians? SPG is only for politicians? Yes, security is given for high-level scientists, but even smaller scientists should also be given some kind of security.
Many countries, even after getting high security, couldn't save the scientists. But I still wonder why India is not coming forward to cover this up. Scientist morale should be boosted up. They should also get commandos. When film stars comes here, there is a lot of panic, as if they have achieved something. But when it comes to our scientists, we see they are killed in home, in trains, in parks, literally zero security. Are our scientists not even worth these things which our politicians get? There are many things to cover up. And in coming videos, we'll see how some of our scientists who did marvelous inventions and who are not with us anymore. Our media also doesn't highlight this issue because they don't find a better TRP in the same. Be different, make difference. Support our scientists. Indian scientists have given their best at global competition by giving amazing examples of science and technology and to gain position of the global leader. Now it's our time to protect our scientists. Let's share this video since media won't do it. Jai Hind.